Simbi kakhulu ke isimo kuManzimande after everything that have just happened and udecide ukuthi ke ngeke sakuthinta ukudla kanti ugabisile guys ilokho ekhale njalo ke ngokushona ekaloko bengazuthi uzoba yisoka lakhe. Khulekani noSiphamandla bayakhombana ukuthi ubani kahle kahle olidirecteni ke kushone ke uSabelo. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on UMKHOKHA from the 16th to the 20th of September 2024 on Monday. The commotion and violence amongst the Amajudea claim an innocent life. The two camps blames each other for the day's calamity on Tuesday. Kapsile is devastated after a devastating death. Manzimande decided to go to the mountain to pray until something shifts. Siphamandla and Khulekani are served with summons from the court on Wednesday. Negotiations over the coexistence of the two churches take another 10. Manzimande decides that she's not going to eat until her sons makes amends. Kapsile and Ngeme bond over their loss on Thursday. One of the two Mkhululi refuses coexisting. Mabusi and Nokbonga's plan to make Manzimande eat backfires, and Ndlovu's wives face the music for accusing him on Friday. Khulekani scoffs at his mother's fast. Kapsile unites the virgins in honor of Sabelo. Mazungu thinks Nokubonga is on a train to nowhere. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. Simbi.